Hey there, food lovers! Get ready to jump in. We're about to create something fantastic today. We've made the perfect apple cider donuts from scratch. Guess what? We're about to reveal exactly how it's done. So let's begin. First things first, let's round up our ingredients. Don't worry, this ain't no grocery store scavenger hunt. Flour, our essential base ingredient that we can't do without. Sugar. Sweetness is essential, everyone. Apple cider is the highlight of the event. Eggs, the ingredient that binds everything together. Butter, because everything is better with butter. Spices, such as cinnamon, nutmeg, and all the good stuff. See? Nothing too crazy. Now, let's get this donut party started. All right, everyone. With our ingredients ready, let's transform them into something delicious. Homemade donuts that delight your taste buds. To begin with, let's cover the basics. Whisk together the dry ingredients: flour, sugar, and spices. This step is crucial because it ensures that all the flavors are evenly distributed. Think of it as preparing the foundation for our donut masterpiece. Next, we move on to the wet ingredients. Mix the eggs, apple cider, and melted butter in a separate bowl. This combination will give our donuts the perfect texture and flavor. Get ready to whisk. The apple cider adds a unique twist, making these donuts stand out. Here comes the delightful part, combining the two mixtures. Slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing gently. This is where the magic happens, as the ingredients form our donut dough. It's like witnessing a culinary symphony unfold. Remember, do not overmix. We want our donuts to be light and fluffy, not harsh and chewy. So, mix just until everything is combined. Patience is key here. Once everything is combined, cover the bowl with a clean dishcloth and let it rest for a while. This resting period allows the dough to relax and develop its flavors. It's like giving the dough a little nap before the big moment. Think of it as a donut timeout, an essential step for the dough to achieve its full potential. Now that the dough has rested, it's time to roll. Prepare your rolling pin and floured surface to shape your donuts. Get creative with different sizes and shapes. Whether for classic rings or fun designs, let's make these donuts unforgettable. Now for the exciting part. Let's dive in and shape those delicious donuts. Use a rolling pin to roll the dough until it is about ½ an inch thick. Grab your donut cutter, or a glass and a bottle cap if you're feeling creative, and start cutting out those donut shapes. Remember the donut holes? We're crafting delightful mini donuts with them. Sizzle those little ones next to the significant cuts for maximum flavor. Why waste resources when it could lead to shortages later? Being smart and proactive is critical, don't you think? Is it just me, or did anyone else not realize how enjoyable it is to make donuts? It's time to fry. Not your brain. The donuts! Imagine the delightful scent of freshly baked donuts filling your kitchen, creating an irresistible atmosphere. Let's heat things up. Ensure everything you need is within arm's reach. Preparation is crucial for a smooth cooking experience. Fill a pot with approximately 2 inches of oil. You want enough oil for the donuts to float freely and cook evenly. The right amount of oil will give your donuts a perfectly crispy exterior. We're aiming for a steady heat of about 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a thermometer to monitor the temperature. Consistency is essential for achieving golden brown perfection. Gently lower a few donuts into the hot oil. Avoid overcrowding the pot, as it can reduce the oil temperature and result in greasy rather than crispy donuts. Ensure each donut has enough space to cook properly. Fry them for about a minute on each side until they are golden brown and look delicious. Keep a close eye on them. They can quickly go from perfect to overdone. Timing is crucial when it comes to frying. Use a slotted spoon to remove the donuts and place them on a wire rack lined with paper towels to cool slightly. This method helps drain any excess oil and keeps the donuts crispy. The wire rack circulates air around the donuts, preventing them from becoming soggy. Grab a snack and a glass of iced tea. You've earned it. Relax and enjoy the aroma in your kitchen as you anticipate tasting your homemade donuts. Additionally, the donuts must cool slightly before their grand finale, the coating. Whether you prefer a classic sugar coating, a rich chocolate glaze, or something more adventurous, this is your chance to shine. Prepare your toppings and get ready for the final step in making these delicious treats. The coating makes each donut unique and adds an extra layer of flavor. Get ready for an incredible adventure. It's time for delicious coating magic. This is the ultimate treat you have been waiting for. As the donuts cool, let's prepare that delightful cinnamon sugar topping that will make them truly unforgettable. Combine sugar and cinnamon in a shallow bowl. It's really that simple. Once the donuts are cool enough to touch, roll them in the sweet mixture, coating them evenly. Pro tip: for an irresistible boost of cinnamon sugar deliciousness, toss those warm donuts in the mixture while they're still a tad sticky. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. It may be chaotic, but the rewards are amazing. Warm, fragrant apple cider donuts are a delightful treat for your taste buds. Combining apple cider and spices creates a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. Imagine taking a bite of one of these donuts, steam rising, and the delightful aroma of apple cider filling the air. It feels like a warm hug on a chilly day. The first bite is pure bliss, offering the perfect balance of sweetness and spice that leaves you craving more. Arrange the donuts on a platter to enhance their presentation. How you display these delightful treats is crucial, as an appealing arrangement can make them even more irresistible. I guarantee you won't be able to stop at just one. Each bite is a perfect blend of sweetness and spice, making it impossible to resist reaching for another. The texture is satisfying, with a soft, fluffy interior and a slightly crisp exterior. These donuts are best enjoyed warm, right out of the oven. They have a soft interior and a slight crispness on the outside. Allow them to cool just enough to handle while maintaining their warmth. Savor the delightful taste of homemade apple cider donuts with your loved ones and make unforgettable memories together. There's something genuinely magical about sharing these treats that brings everyone closer. Now that you've mastered apple cider donuts, let's explore some exciting combinations. Picture savoring a donut covered in a delightful layer of cinnamon sugar as the sweet spice twirls enticingly on your palate, or a drizzle of rich caramel sauce cascading over your donut. Indulge in a warm, fluffy donut with a generous scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream, a match made in dessert. Heaven. The contrast between hot and cold is delightful. Unleash your creativity and transform your apple cider donuts into something extraordinary. Well then, food lovers, have you ever sunk your teeth into a warm, sugary apple cider donut? It's a little slice of heaven, especially in the fall. We're talking melt in your mouth, bursting with flavor kind of donuts. These donuts are delicious and surprisingly easy to make at home. Next time you're craving something unique, try these apple cider donuts. They're more than just a dessert, they're an experience, delivering pure joy with every bite. Thanks for tuning in. If you're craving more delicious donut recipes or want to dive into the world of baking, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Your next sweet adventure awaits. We hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we enjoyed sharing it. Please share it on social media. Show off your delicious donut masterpieces in the comments section below. We can't wait to see your creativity. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes, fun cooking tips, and a whole lot of laughter. Now that you're a bona fide apple cider donut expert, invite your friends, family, and neighbors to a donut party. They'll sing your praises and beg for the recipe in no time. Until next time, happy baking.